Hello home buyers, and those of you who are also looking to refinance, wanting to do either one with an FHA loan, and also using rental income to qualify for the mortgage. Let's talk about that scenario today. If you are looking to purchase a home and you've got a job that you're with W-2 income, for example, but you also own a rental property and you want to use the rental income that you're earning on the rental property, that is absolutely possible to do. Keep in mind that all of the information regarding that rental property will be needed to be included in your loan application. So if you have a mortgage on that property, any other expenses like taxes and insurance will need to be pulled into your application. That debt and those expenses will need to be included, just like the income from that property will need to be included. So you absolutely can use rental income from another property that you own to help qualify for an FHA loan on a primary residence. Now, maybe you're inquiring about this because you're thinking about buying a home that has like a duplex, for example, or a multifamily home. Then yes, you can use the rental income in the non-occupying units or apartments that you will not be living in to help qualify for the mortgage. Now, we have a full article on that I'll link to in the description down below, and also the first pinned comment, where you can learn more about how much of that income that you can use, because you can't use 100% of it. And also, if the property is 3 or 4 units, then you have the self-sufficiency tests that will need to be employed into the equation. We can also review that down below in the link that I just described. So you can absolutely, like I said, purchase a home using rental income, either from a property you already own or the one you're going to buy. It can definitely work for you. If you'd like to speak to someone, get pre-approved, ask more questions, just visit FHAlenders.com, again in that link down below. If this was helpful for you in any way, please hit that like button. That helps me to rank better on YouTube. Thanks for watching, everyone, today, and I hope you have a great day.